Sounds extreme, right? But this shift is already happening, not tomorrow. Today. In this video, we'll show you exactly which jobs are being replaced and what you can do to stay ahead before it's too late. In 2018, a person with no experience became a self-driving car engineer in just 3 months. Today, stock trading firms are run by algorithms instead of analysts. One AI model even outperformed human traders. They named it after Warren Buffett. AI is changing every industry. Fast forward to today, and AI is doing the unthinkable. It's automating tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to humans. In 2021, ChatGPT wrote a full novel in just 6 days. It was a romantic comedy set in the world of AI, a fitting topic for an AI author. But don't be fooled by its seemingly innocent stories. This is a powerful tool capable of some seriously mind-blowing stuff. To top it off, it took editors 4 weeks to polish the novel, proving that AI writing isn't quite perfect yet, but it's getting there fast. Just think about it. In the blink of an eye, it can crank out thousands of words, plot twists, character development, dialogue, descriptions, the whole 9 yards. Plus, it doesn't need coffee breaks or weekends off. Just imagine how much faster it could write if it had those. And it's not just writing. AI is now designing, coding, and creating entire worlds in minutes. It's replacing creative and technical jobs alike. And the pace of change is dizzying. If you thought you had time to sit back and watch this happen, think again. It's happening now. Here are 4 jobs that are already being replaced. And if you stick around, we'll reveal 5 more job categories that are at the highest risk of disappearing. So let's dive in. Number 1, writers. AI is taking over the writing game. From blog articles to ads to YouTube scripts, you name it. AI can crank out content on any topic in any style in record time. And it's not just churning out garbage either. The quality is so good that many businesses are ditching expensive copywriters and going straight to AI. For instance, a marketing agency used an AI tool to generate hundreds of ad copies for their clients, saving them tons of time and money. Number 2, designers. AI design tool Midjourney has hit the scene, and it's replacing graphic teams in seconds. All you need to do is type in a few keywords and boom, you have a design that any hipster would love. It's not just logos and websites. Midjourney can create anything from Instagram posts to product mockups, social media templates, you name it. It's so easy to use that anyone can become a graphic designer in minutes. In fact, one company used Midjourney to create a whole new look for their brand, including their logo, packaging, and marketing materials. Number 3, cashiers. Self-checkouts are taking over the retail world, and cashiers are becoming a thing of the past. Gone are the days when humans manned the cash register. Now it's all about scanning your own items and swiping your own credit card. It's convenient, efficient, and oh so robotic. Some people love it, others not so much. But one thing's for sure, cashiers are on their way out. Number 4, teachers. AI tutors are hitting the books and replacing teachers in the classroom. Seriously, it's like something out of a sci-fi movie, except this time it's happening for real. AI can grade homework, provide feedback, and answer questions 24/7. Plus, it never gets tired or takes sick days. It's always there ready to help students learn. And it's not just theoretical knowledge. AI can teach everything from math to history to coding. And if you think these are just predictions, think again. These are happening right now. But that's just the beginning. These 4 jobs are already gone. Now let's talk about 5 more job categories that are on the chopping block. Number 5, customer support. AI chatbots are taking over the customer support game. With AI, businesses can provide instant support to their customers without having to wait for a human to get around to it. Chatbots are taking over the world. They're available 24/7, and they never get sick of answering the same questions over and over again. Plus, they can handle multiple conversations at once, making them the ultimate customer service superhero. And the best part? They're learning from every conversation, becoming smarter and more helpful over time. Number 6, spreadsheet operators. AI is putting an end to the days of number crunchers. It can analyze data, spot trends, and make predictions faster than any human. And it won't complain about working overtime or ask for a raise. Plus, it can handle complex calculations and large data sets that would make any accountant break down. Number 7, delivery drivers. AI-powered delivery vans are taking over the roads and delivering goods faster and more efficiently than ever before. These high-tech vehicles use AI to navigate traffic, optimize routes, and avoid accidents, making them the ultimate delivery solution. Whether it's packages, groceries, or food, AI is taking over the delivery game. Number 8. Store managers. AI is running the show in retail stores. It's optimizing inventory, managing staff, and providing a better customer experience than ever before. AI-powered robots are stocking shelves, handling returns, and even assisting customers with their purchases. Number 9. Retail service. AI is changing the retail game, and customers are loving it. From personalized recommendations to virtual try-ons, AI is making shopping more fun and convenient than ever before. AI-powered dressing rooms are even letting customers see how clothes look on them without even trying them on. Talk about a game changer. These 9 jobs are on the brink of being replaced by AI, but there's still hope for some. Certain jobs still require a human touch that AI just can't replicate. Here are 5 job categories that are safe for now. Number 1. Creative leaders. Yes, AI can generate some pretty mind-blowing designs and write catchy ad copy, but it can't replace the strategic thinking and creative vision of a creative director. These folks are the big picture thinkers who can lead a team of designers and ensure that every piece of content tells a cohesive story. Number 2. Therapists and caregivers. AI can provide basic mental health support and companionship, but it can't replace the empathy, understanding, and personalized care that a therapist or caregiver can provide. These folks are trained professionals who can help people through their toughest moments and provide the emotional support they need to thrive. Number 3. Complex decision makers. AI can analyze data and provide insights, but it can't replace the judgment, intuition, and critical thinking skills of a complex decision maker. These folks are the CEOs, judges, and policymakers who have the power to shape our world. Number 4. AI system maintainers. Yes, AI is taking over many jobs, but it needs humans to maintain and improve it. These are the coders, data scientists, and engineers who keep AI systems running smoothly and make sure they're up to date. Number 5. Project managers. AI can help with scheduling and resource allocation, but it can't replace the leadership and communication skills of a project manager. These folks are the orchestrators of the business world, bringing together all the pieces needed to make a project successful. So while AI is indeed changing the job market, not all jobs are doomed. The key is to stay informed, adaptable, and focused on developing skills that complement AI rather than compete with it. So what can you do to stay ahead of the curve? Here are 3 tips to help you navigate the AI revolution. Number 1. Learn AI tools. Don't wait for AI to replace you. Be proactive and learn how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Bard, Midjourney, and other design and productivity tools to boost your efficiency and effectiveness. Number 2. Build soft skills. Focus on developing soft skills such as creativity, leadership, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. These skills are difficult for AI to replicate and are highly valued in the workforce. Number 3. Be an AI operator, not just a worker. The winners in the AI age will be those who can operate and manage AI systems rather than simply work alongside them. Develop skills in areas such as data science, AI ethics, and AI governance to stay ahead of the pack. So don't wait for AI to replace you. Take charge of your future and invest in your own upskilling and reskilling. Now it's time to hear from you. What job do you think AI will take next? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone who needs to see it. As always, thanks for watching.